Hello Agilist, I am Piyush Rahate, your learning partner. Welcome to Everything Adaptive with Piyush. And in this video, we will explore sprint planning. Stay tuned. Sprint planning is an important inspect and adapt opportunity for the Scrum team. This is where the Scrum team collaborates to come up with their plan for the upcoming sprint. Sprint planning is a time-boxed event for 8 hours or less for 1 month sprint. Usually, it is shorter for shorter durations. At the sprint planning, the Scrum team inspects the product goal and the product backlog. The outcome of this inspection is a set of selected product backlog items, a plan how to deliver them, and an overarching objective for the sprint. The sprint goal, the selected product backlog items, and the plan to deliver them together is termed as the sprint backlog. The product owner sets the tone for sprint planning by expressing the business objective, that is the product goal, and also explaining the product backlog items that will help to achieve the sprint goal. The developers then, in collaboration with the product owner, decide how much work they can pick up and devise a plan for the sprint. The Scrum Master is there to facilitate the discussion as needed or required. The Scrum team often takes into consideration their past performance, their upcoming capacity, and the definition of done to create better sprint forecasts. That was sprint planning. I hope this helps. Subscribe and like the channel for more such insightful videos. Click on the bell icon to get notified of the new content.